Three reasons why gratitude journaling actually works. If you will look at the health benefits of keeping a gratitude journal, then you may feel surprised. A simple thank you can bring a big change in your life. So today we will discuss why keeping a gratitude journal actually works. Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Bhasin and I am an international success coach. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to never miss the notifications of such interesting and motivational videos. Okay, so let's get started. Keeping a gratitude journal is a quite simple practice, isn't it so? It may seem simple, but its effects are great and incredible. I'll give you three most important reasons of why making a gratitude journal will actually work for you. Firstly, when you write down all the things that you feel grateful for, then you are actually focusing more on positive things. You are actually shifting your focus from the negativity to the positivity. You are realizing the fact that there are so many things around that you can feel grateful for. You are realizing that you are blessed with so many things. So, you are basically choosing to see the positive side of your life. And when you are seeing the positivity, what will happen? You will attract positivity into your life, which is the most important thing while achieving your desires, while achieving your dreams. Now you may be wondering why you need to write down all those things, and you might be thinking that you can just think about all such positive things and say thank you in your mind. Isn't it so? So what's the use of writing all such things in your journal then? Let me tell you. When you write down all the positive things and thank them in your journal, what you are doing then? You are subconsciously making them permanent and real. You might have heard of the fact that how writing things improve our memory power. And that's the reason why writing a gratitude journal will actually work for you. Secondly, when you focus more on positive things in your life, and when you appreciate that you have them all, you will gradually move out of the stress. You will be able to take better care of yourself and will run a long and healthy life. And it is also scientifically proven that people who focus on the feelings of positivity are more likely to manage any kind of stress in their lives. They can easily face whatever their lives will throw at them. And they can easily come out of tough situations, tough circumstances. So when you keep a gratitude journal, then you are actually taking your antidepressants on a regular basis. Yes. The effects of writing gratitude journal are so great that you will feel an instant relief the moment you write down a heartfelt thank you note. When you write and feel that gratitude, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin, which are responsible for good feelings. And it also decreases the level of cortisol hormone, which is basically the stress hormone. This process is scientifically proven, and hence there is no doubt in the fact that keeping a gratitude journal can prove a boon to all those people who are depressed. You are less likely to think about your worries, and every day you will have a sound mind and a sound body. And lastly, keeping a gratitude journal will improve your trust, your belief, and your confidence in yourself. Since you will be writing all the positive things you have in your life, you will be able to feel blessed about it also. A kind of confidence will rush throughout your veins and you will be able to believe in yourself. When you will write down what you have achieved in your life so far, no matter how small it is, you will be confident enough to move further because you will believe in your abilities. The more confident you will be, the less you will worry free. Less you will worry. And the less you will compare yourself with others. So always remember that believing in yourself is that magic potion which can turn even impossible things to possible. So I hope that you will be starting your gratitude journal very soon. And do this practice on a regular basis and share your experiences with me on this comment section below. Thank you very much for your time. Namaste.